we have to clap them. Raps we average, classics took a backward traction. They lacking passion in the aftermath is wrapped in madness. They catch and slashes, then they drag the ashes on the path to blackness.
The cash I have to grab in fact. I'm a stacking addict, mathematics added, subtracted before they nab the taxes. Your raps were laughing at them. Go back and trash it, madman within this cold world where we will snatch your jack.
I drop the fastest yapping off your axis, dark as Gotham graphic. Frank Miller's of rap, killing is automatic. Last assassin throwing battle axes, have you travel backwards? Go against the God prescribed law, you getting born for asking.
I sit upon a noble throne and coated gold with opal stones, woven robe, a potent flow with omens rope. Hold the dough, slow your roll, your dome or roll on open road. You vultures fold, hoes on stroll, so they sold, getting dough.
From the atoms to the chromosomes, galaxies of soul and soul. Challenge me, blow for blow, your team will turn to broken bones. Hold the golden glow, your queen is seeking me to both the whole. No control, freak between the sheets, peep the yoga pose.
Get overthrown off a building just for dough. Now you're over hard, know your paw, so controller of your only home. As if you got any not friendly shots sent you off with the book of life, now your spot's empty.
Read alive and spitting flyers, written conscientious, wise as diction, optimistic, plot the mission, cleverly designed militia. Kings of 5%ers, 85ers, listen to this kind of wisdom, never apply division, stuck within the blind
We the wisest ninjas, fortified, we survive the winters. It's just ice in my veins and I supply my victims with Iron Maidens. Close the book, read the final pages. Off the top, I'll shell shock like a flying Raiden.
You couldn't walk in my shoes or even try to lace them. Hide your faces, I'm in a space where I'll be climbing to a higher placement. Try and paint it, and I erase it. My mind is tracing the signs that I supply the nation.
Yo, my army soldiers, calm composure, yo, with scar and folger. Palm us over, bomb explosions in your car, the motive. Was your squadron boasting, talking bogus, y'all know this piece. To the gods who show us love for the bars and culture.
8 years before Brazil lost for Uruguay, the World Cup in the 50s. And my father was crying, with a lot of Brazilians there. And then my father used to say, oh, man should be strong, man doesn't cry. Then I saw my father cry when Brazil lost the game. Then I told him, Father, don't worry, I'm gonna win one World Cup for you, don't worry. I was 9 to 10 years old. Then 8 years late, I was in Sweden with Brazil with 7 years old. Brazil won the World Cup.